Well, Tacoma Police are looking for a suspect who sexually assaulted a woman near People's Park. And police tell us she was actually attacked while walking to her car.
Fox 13's Nikki Torres is in Tacoma. And Nikki, officers say someone passing saw the assault happening and yelled at the assailant to stop.
Police say they were driving by. They saw that man on top of the woman. They then yelled at him and he ran away. Now, police do not have any photos or videos which could help them ID this suspect. So now police are not only looking for this suspect, they're also looking for this Good Samaritan.
Stranger sexual assaults like this are rare.
They're rare, but they happen. The most recent in Tacoma was here on South 9th Street and Martin Luther King Jr. Way. For reference, this is less than a half-mile uphill from Pierce County District Court and right next to People's Park.
On the morning of March 22nd, around 5:45 a.m., a female called into South Sound 911 regarding a robbery and sexual assault.
Tacoma police say a woman was walking to her car when a man hit her over the head with a handgun and sexually assaulted her.
She's screaming for help. She gets shoved to the ground. He tries to strangle her.
Someone driving by saw the attack, yelled at the assailant to stop, and he did.
As soon as he got up and got off, she jumped in her car, the victim did, and immediately drove and contacted the police department.
Now police are looking for that driver and whoever was in their car.
Passerbys have not been contacted yet because I'm sure as soon as the victim drove away, they were like, what was that all about? And then they also drove away.
Tacoma police say that driver's heroic actions might have saved this woman's life. Any other information they could provide for police would help in finding the man who attacked this woman. And again, police do not have any surveillance footage from this area from Wednesday morning. According to the victim, she did tell police that the suspect was a black man in his 20s. He had dreadlocks with orange ends. In height, he was about 6'1" to 6'2", and what he was wearing was gray sweatshirt, gray sweatpants, and also Nike slides. If you have any information, Tacoma police want you to give them a call. In Tacoma, I'm Nikki Torres, Fox 13 News.